I've been sharing some really cool side hustles for a while now, but not many people are talking about this one. If you want to learn how you can make $500 to $700 per day, stay tuned because I got some gold for you. So this side hustle is taking professional real estate photos for realtors, homeowners, and landlords. I spoke briefly about this hustle in a previous video, but in this video, I'll be sharing with you step by step how you can start a business from scratch, as I have done this myself. I ran a professional real estate photography business, so I know this works. If you have absolutely zero knowledge on how to take professional real estate photos, come look at this. We're going to get our professional real estate photography degree at YouTube University for free. That's right. You can literally search on YouTube how to take professional real estate photos. There, you will find endless amount of videos teaching you all you need to know on taking real estate photos. But here's the thing. You don't want to get caught up in analysis paralysis, watching all the videos and never getting started. Just watch a few videos, learn the basics, and then try what you have learned in your own home. Analyze the results, make tweaks if necessary, then maybe try doing your friends and family's houses. Here are the benefits of practicing on your own house and the houses of your friends and families. This is a high-paying job, relatively, so people are going to need you to prove your expertise. They want to see your skills, right? So when trying to get clients, you can use the photos that you took at your house or your family's or friends' houses as reference when a potential client wants to see your work. Makes sense, right? Like, this is game right here. So if you haven't already liked this video, what are you waiting on? Help me out because I got you. Take a quick minute, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next time I'm bringing you some value. Because we're going to be making this money all 2023 and beyond. Let's freaking go. All right now, so all you need for this side hustle is, you guessed it, a camera. If you already have a camera, you might want to get a wide angle lens for those in-house room by room shots. I like this camera that I'm using here, and it can definitely get the job done. I'll put a link to this camera and a good wide angle lens in the description below so that you can check it out yourself. But if you don't have the money to go buy some new camera right this moment, you should start this side hustle using your smartphone. Believe it or not, the camera on the smartphones that you're using to watch this video right now gives similar quality photos to a professional camera these days. So not having a camera shouldn't be an excuse if this is something that you'd like to try. All right, let's look at how to get started with your first client. So you have your camera or your smartphone, you've learned on YouTube how to take these shots, and you are ready to go. Here's the first thing you want to do in order to get your first client. You want to reach out to every realtor that you know, whether friend or family, and just ask them, hey, do you need any help getting professional real estate photos taken? Chances are someone is taking these photos themselves and could really use your help. Think about it. You could really elevate a lot of realtors' game just by offering a chance to have better photos. Now, other ways you can get clients are cold calling, emails, and DMing realtors, asking them if they need help getting professional real estate photos taken. It is that simple. Trust me, it's not easy, but it's simple. It's just taking up the phone, making a call, really. Think about it. Say you get your client on the phone, you're interested, they saw your photos that you took of your own home, and they think it's really cool, it's awesome, they're great. Getting started, you can charge anywhere from $150 to $300 per shoot. And while you can get a shoot done in 1 hour, you may want to plan for 2 hours per house, because it does take about an hour or two for an average size house under 2,500 square foot. Houses bigger than that, you're looking about 2 to 3 hours. But here's the thing, if you're charging the average cost for professional real estate photos, which is $220 per shoot, and you're doing 3 houses per day, then you'd be making upward of $660 each day. That's $3,300 per week and $13,200 per month. But there's a sweet spot. There's a very good spot to get in this business. When you find good realtors, They'll have multiple listings, so you could even offer batch deal prices because they're going to constantly have business flowing in your direction. Also, when working with clients, you want to do your best work, and you should always, I repeat, always ask for referrals because people generally want to help others. And when you're doing good work, they will want you to help their colleagues also. Make sense? So the potential is endless. Like I said, I have done this. It does take some grind. It does take some hustle, but you can make a lot of money doing this just on the side. If you have more questions about starting your own real estate photography business, let me know in the comments and I'll try to respond to you, give any kind of tips I can or any kind of resources that I know of. Look, I believe in you and I believe that you can live up to your fullest potential only if you give yourself a chance and try at becoming better. If you haven't already done so, remember, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I recently started this channel so I can bring value like this to you, and I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so help me out and I'd be glad to return the favor. Also, I know a lot of you are new to my channel and I would love for us to get to know each other. Let me know in the comments where you're subscribing from. Until then, I'll see you again soon.